I earn hundreds of dollars worth of cash and free gift cards every month. Oh yeah, my sources are clutch. And I don't keep them to myself, I share them all the time here on this channel. But every time I share my sources, I get comments and DMs asking me to try sources that you want me to try. So in this video, I'm going to do exactly that. I am going to test the options that you gave to get free gift cards and cash. And to keep it real, I am always really doubtful that options that other people have will measure up to my favorites like my points or fetch rewards. And I'm going to keep an open mind and I'm going to try them out. But I'll tell you right now, the options that you give should at least buy me a cup of coffee. You know I like me some Starbucks. So hopefully by the end of this video, at least one option that you gave will buy me a cup of coffee. And if that's the case, oh yeah, then that option is a keeper. So with that said, let's get into this first option. Now, first up is branded surveys. So branded surveys is a website that says that they'll pay cash and gift cards for doing surveys. Now, I know that I've tried branded surveys a while back, but I don't even remember anything about it. So I'm just going to start a whole new account and see how this thing works. And let's see if branded surveys can get me that freaking cup of coffee that I really want. So let's dive into my computer and let's check out branded surveys. So branded surveys says that you can take these surveys and get paid immediately. I was curious. I wanted to know what kinds of options they have for the payout. So if you look here, they show it, they say get paid for your opinion. So I figured there were free gift cards, which there are. So as you can see, Amazon, PayPal, Apple, they're all options here. So I decided I need to jump right in. I want my stuff. So starting out at 0 points, I started looking for the easiest surveys possible. So I found it with the daily poll right there. That's 5 points. Literally one question on that same page. You refresh the page and boom, 5 points available. But since you need 500 points to get $5, I decided to start going for the higher paying survey. So this one, 250 points for 6 minutes of my time. Count me in. But then I started it and yeah, didn't match. But you can't deter me that easily. So I kept going. Here's one for 25 points, 5 minutes of my time. Yes. Okay, so far so good, branded surveys. So keeping it going, this one looked pretty interesting. A TV study. I watch a lot of TV. Why not try it? 25 points. Let's go. So I did it and it said the survey filled up quickly. Ugh. Really? But I really want my $5 for my coffee. So I kept going, did some more higher price surveys, and yes, in less than an hour of my time, I earned my 500 points. But wait, a pre-withdrawal checklist. So you have to fill out this information. I linked my PayPal account so that I can get my money through PayPal, and it says it'll take a couple days to get there, but hopefully I will get that money soon. Okay, so branded surveys looks like it might get me my cup of coffee, but we'll have to see if they actually pay me. And if you're wondering if branded surveys is actually going to pay me so that I can buy that cup of coffee that I really want, then if they do, I will add it to the end of this video. But let's go on to this next option, and it's called Eureka. So Eureka is an app that you guys told me about, and this is my first time using Eureka, so hopefully I can at least get a couple of dollars out of Eureka, but let's check it out and see. So off the bat, I like that Eureka completely explains what they have to offer, what types of things they have available. But let's check out the gift cards because that's what we came for, right? So I see Visa, PayPal, Amazon, bank deposit. Okay, so there's cash and gift cards in here. Oh yeah, Target. I go there all the time. But just scrolling down, there are an abundance of other gift card options in here. So I would be surprised if you don't find a gift card that you want in here. But let's go in and see what we need to do in order to earn these gift cards and cash. So right away, Eureka put me into the mix. And just for completing my survey, they offer me $1. You need to meet a $10 threshold to cash out, but I did those initial questions and I earned my $1. That was really fast how I earned that money with Eureka. But let's continue and see if I can meet this threshold to cash out. So I kept going and I did more surveys. They have a lot of options, and I really did start earning some money into that bank. Another easy one. I like it. I like it. Everything was going smoothly. I was on my way to my $10, but then I started seeing stuff like being disqualified from some surveys. They tried to redeem themselves, gave me 2 cents. I guess it's okay. I got a little something out of it. Not quite going to take me to my $10, but after doing surveys for like 20, 30 minutes, I started seeing lower price surveys that would take up more of my time, like 79 cents for 10 minutes of my time. No thanks. So I'm going to keep it real. Eureka is easy to use, but I don't know if I'm going to stick with them because I feel like they're stringing me along a little bit. So I'm going to just keep them in my phone, and maybe I'll dip back in and see if there's some higher paying surveys in there, because as you saw, the surveys started out higher price, but then they're like going down in price. And I haven't reached the threshold yet, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please let me and the algorithm know by hitting thumbs up and subscribing if you're not subscribed, and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And if you made it this far in the video, do me a favor and let me know that you're still here by dropping a phone emoji so I can shout you out in the comments. And also, I'm open ears. If you have an option that you want me to try for either cash or free gift cards, then let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to add it to the list of things that I check out. But with that said, if you are interested in more options to earn cash and free gift cards, I have a whole playlist. I will start with the free gift cards playlist. Preferably start with that video. And by the way, 2 days later, Branded Surveys sent me my $5 and I got my coffee. Yes! I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and